Hello everyone. In this part 1 of Introduction to Three-Dimensional Geometry, we will discuss introduction and the octants. So let's start with the simple concept. If we will take two perpendicular lines, then we know very well it will divide into four parts and each part is known as the quadrant, and the sign convention for this plus plus, minus plus, minus minus and plus minus. This is plus minus. In the same way, if we will take the three perpendicular lines, the best example for this in a room from corner points, if we will see, then there are three perpendicular lines. One we are considering length, other one is breadth, and third one is height. In the same way, if in this plane we are representing, let us suppose this is x, this is y, then z must be perpendicular to this. But it is not possible to show here, so we are taking this one as a bending line. This is the bending line and which will represent the z. Same way, behind this there is a x dash and this is y dash, and because this is perpendicular like this, so behind this there is z dash, so that is the z dash. Now if we will think about this point in this space, then draw the perpendicular in xz plane, then this length will be y. From this same draw the perpendicular on z axis, this length will be x, and this from O to L, this length will be z. It means we can say the coordinate of any point in three dimensional, then this will be x, y, z. Now because of these three perpendicular lines, it will divide into 8 parts and each part is known as the octant. So for the sign convention in this octants, how will we take? Look at this thing. First of all, this is first, second, third, and this is fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and this is eighth one. Now look at this thing. This is x, y, and z. Always remember this thing. First is upward perpendicular. It means this 4 x, y, z coordinates sign will remain same. For this upward z, we will take this one is positive. So what will be the sign convention? Plus, 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 minus, plus, plus, minus, minus, plus, and this is plus, minus, plus. So this will be the sign convention in fourth octant. So for this part, what is this? O, x, y, and z plane. In this part, O, x dash, y, and z plane. In this way, we will get the 8 planes. So, in fifth quadrant, look at this thing. Z is behind this. So, next for z will be negative, but other parts for x, y, z sign will remain same. Look at this thing, how it will come? Plus, plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, 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 and this is plus, minus, minus. So, if we have plus, plus, minus, you know very well in first quadrant this is plus, plus, and this is plus, then add 4, it will provide in fifth quadrant plus, plus, minus. So, using this, if z is coming negative, then it will be more than fourth. It means fourth quadrant से पहले ही कभी नहीं आएगा अगर z negative है. It will come in fifth, sixth, seventh or eighth. Look at this thing. One question is name the octants in which the following points lie. 1, 2, 3. What we are observing? Z is positive. It means ये पहले चार में ही आएगा और पहले चार में भी देखिए x और y पॉजिटिव है. हमने 10th में ऑब्जर्व किया था इट विल लाई इन फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट. ये पॉजिटिव है. इट मींस इट शुड बी लाई इन फर्स्ट ऑक्टेंट ओनली. सो दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट ऑक्टेंट. नाउ लुक एट दिस थिंग इन दिस पार्ट. दिस इज नेगेटिव. इट मींस ये 5 से 8 के बीच में आएगा. आपने देखा ये दोनों नेगेटिव है x एंड y. x एंड y नेगेटिव होता तो किस में आता था? थर्ड में. z नेगेटिव है तो 3 plus 4 कर दीजिए. इट मींस दिस विल कम इन सेवेंथ ऑक्टेंट. इन द सेम वे 4 minus 2 minus 5. माइनस 5 इज डिसाइडिंग फॉर z कि ये मोर देन फोर्थ में है यानी कि फिफ्थ, सिक्स, सेवेंथ, एट्थ में है. नाउ 4 minus 2 ऑलवेज इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट जब हम 10th में पढ़ते थे. नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ minus 5, 4 plus 4, इट मींस दिस विल लाई इन 8th octant. So this is the way to find out the octants. Now there are few points as we did in 10th class. Coordinate of a point on x-axis x0, Here because three-dimensional, so coordinates of a point lying on x-axis are x, 0, 0. Lying on y-axis, 0, y, 0. Lying on z-axis, 0, 0, z. Coordinates of a point lying on xy plane. देखिए यहां पर xyz प्लेन, xy प्लेन होगा, yz होगा, zx प्लेन होगा. तो xy प्लेन में z क्या होगा? 0. It means the coordinates will be x, y, 0. yz प्लेन में coordinates क्या हो जाएंगे? 0, y, z. Next, reflection of a point xyz in xy plane is always given by xy minus z. It means अगर हम xy प्लेन में रिफ्लेक्शन ले रहे हैं तो z क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव. अगर हम yz प्लेन में रिफ्लेक्शन ले रहे हैं तो x क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव. So this is the way to find out the coordinates of a reflection of a point. Now let's start the solution of question number 2. In question number 2, write the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 2, 4, 5 on x-axis. You know very well, on x-axis, y and z will be 0. So the coordinates of the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point 2, 4, 5 on x-axis will be 2, 0, 0. And this will be the answer. In xz plane, y is equals to 0. So the coordinates will be 2, 0 and 5. And this will be the answer for this plane. So in this way, this portion is very, very important for the questions related to 1 marks and the objective type questions. All these points you have to revise again and again. So whenever you are giving the answer, you have to keep this idea in your mind. And don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.